do a video here. Jump inside the cab of this Freightliner. Seats in good shape, pretty clean trucks. These trucks are used every day. So what you're seeing is how they look, folks. Aside from throwing your pop bottle out and your garbage, this is exactly how they've been. 853,728 as of today. It's the 18th of May, 2022. Storage up top, pretty common. Shot of the interior. Of course, the E-logs and the cams are going to come out of them before we let them go